Welcome back, bogies. We're back on the Mini tonight, so yeah, come join me. Yep, we're back on the floor before the old dampness gets me. And yes, I will clean up. I promise I'll clean up. Honest. So let's look at my handiwork. Yeah, not too bad. Some bits could be better, some bits could be worse. So I didn't go berserk, welding the whole lot up just yet. What we need to do now is get inside and try and pull this floor down. Make sure it's going to sit nicely and get the rest of the join finished off and tacked so it's all level. The floor's definitely got a bit of a bow to it anyway, but that's all around where the battery cable and everything goes. What I might do is just while it's up here is just double check things. It's all feeling pretty good for what it can be. Yeah, so I might just get a few more welds on this side while I can, because we're do or die now. We've welded a lot of it up. Bought myself some nicer goggles, and I must start using my welding helmet even more. So please shout and hit a dislike every time you see me welding without a helmet on. Maybe not tack welds, but at least proper welds. That might encourage me to probably use my helmet more. So yeah, let's get the helmet, do some welding, have a beer, and get on with this floor pan. Right, can anyone reach the pause button? No? Alright, just me then. Okay, is this videoing? Yeah, Roger. So yeah, just going around, picking random areas to weld. Try not to get the heat too much in one area. Got a little bit of a dip just there like I did on the other side. But I think I'll be alright, I can get away with that. Again, once I get the car in a position where I can get the dolly on both sides, I can flatten that out, that's for sure. Yeah, so what I might do is just as a little, I don't know if there's a subframe hole or not there, but I might just drill and put a screw through, pull the floor tight, see if that helps. Yeah, so I'm just going to cut a bit while I'm here, just cut a strip, fill in this hole where I accidentally overcut it when I was cutting the floor. We all make mistakes, don't we? And do a little patch in here as well. So let's do that before we roll it over and get all excited. Okay, that'll do me for tonight. Got most of the weld done all around the outside there. Just need to finish off this side near the footwell, but might need to turn it over to get to a bit of that. And then obviously, I found a great big wood screw, put a socket on it, wound that in, and that's pulled that in nice now, so that's going to be lovely. So yeah, filled in the dodgy holes that I made. I've got one more hole to still do, don't know why I didn't do that, but Sometimes I just get like that and I just don't want to do it. And so yeah, ground along there, didn't grind down here at the moment. I'll get the 1mm blade in there just a little bit to take the high spots off, because I don't really want to damage, or it don't make no difference, but try and keep the line of this heel board panel. Trying to grind that flat. So I know I keep talking about getting this thing shot blast. I'm just putting a bit of extra fire on it just to stop a bit of rust. And it makes my worlds look a lot better. I don't know. A lot better is a strong word. But it makes me sleep at night better. I'm not going to go too berserk trying to get completely rid of the ground, grinding the world away. One, because I'm no good at welding, so it's not perfect flat anyway. But two, I just run a bit of sealing along all that anyway, and that's going to be good enough. It's going to be solid as a rock. So yeah, we'll get these little bits done, roll it over. We can do the bulkhead. We can then clean up the door steps, spot weld them, do inside the rear pocket and the support brace in there, and then we're nearly getting there. Still after some Mark 1 bonnet hinges, if anyone's got any. Must keep an eye out, or if you just spot some on eBay for sale, just ping me a link or email me. I don't look on eBay enough, so I do know they crop up sometimes. So yeah, if you want to be helpful, that's great. Anyway, hopefully I use my welding helmet a lot more. A couple of tacks I did make sure I looked away properly. And let's just try and keep that up. Anyway, that's it for another night. Come back tomorrow for another episode, and we'll see how we go. We're approaching 4,500 followers now, subscribers, so that's good. We'll be at 5,000 at some point in the next month or so, so we'll be that halfway mark. Obviously, people that don't even know, look back through some of my old videos, I've promised to give a car away at 10,000. So what we're going to do is we're going to restore a car, give it away when we get to 10,000. That's the idea anyway. So if we ever get to 10,000, we shall do that. I've kept my promise. And there we go. So yeah, this in the race car. Got some race car parts I'm collecting at the weekend. Some Subaru parts. So we a lot of progress hopefully on that. Hopefully I want to sort of get it into a rolling state in the next few months at all, if I've got any chance of hitting the race deadline. But anyway, let's not talk about Subaru in this, because this is all Mark 1 Mini stuff. So yeah, see you soon.